We start with 1 kilogram of chicken thigh. Then we begin removing all the excess fat and skin from the chicken pieces. Once that's done, we return all the chicken to our tray. Then we can begin seasoning it. We season our chicken with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, smoked paprika, and salt. And then we add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, sesame oil, and Chinese cooking wine. And we mix everything well and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. For our batter, we add 1 medium egg, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water. Then we mix well. Once batter is mixed well, we add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and mix well and set aside. Then we dip our chicken in the batter and deep fry it. We warm a skillet with some oil. Then we fry our chicken in it. Once it's ready, we drain it on our mesh so to allow it to remain crispy. Once our oil is warm, we can dip our chicken in our batter right at cooking. Then we transfer it skin side down into our hot oil. Once all the chicken pieces are in, then we can start our timer for cooking it 5 minutes on skin side. Then we flip it and cook it for another 5 minutes on the other side. Once that's ready, we can remove the chicken for cooling on our resting tray for another 5 minutes. While our chicken is cooling on the rack, we can chop 3 small onions into small strips. Then we can saute it in our hot pan with 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of black pepper sauce. Once our pan is warm, we can add some olive oil and add our butter to it. Then we pour our onion into the butter, saute it until the onion begins to brown. Once it's brown, we can add our black pepper sauce to the whole mixture, then saute it to release the flavor of the black pepper sauce. Once the flavor has released, we can add a 1/2 cup of water to the mixture and allow it to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce thickens, we can turn the heat off and pour it into our bowl to serve. We plate our chicken with some French beans sauteed in garlic. Then we pour our onion sauce over our chicken and enjoy. Bon appetit!